Today I'm going to be putting those shackles on here. Now, obviously, if you look how low it is, that's how it's set. That's too low. Again, don't try this at home. This jacket's so heavy. Well, the back end's coming up. The leaf spring not really going down. Oh, there we go. When you get high enough, should be alright. Pop somebody's eye out. Not mine. Let's get some safety glasses. I can reach it almost now. Still gotta go pretty far down. I don't think Jack's gonna travel that far. I realize this is really dumb. I'm gonna keep trying. Let's pass. Whoa, hello. Don't freak out. You know what? I think this is gonna work. Okay, so I've got it up in the air, kind of rigged. This makes me nervous. I don't like to do it this way. But I really had no other way to get it in the air so I could pull the leaf spring down. No other way that I could think of. So, you might get a real show if I survive this. See, it's allowing me to pull this down. This makes me nervous just pulling on this. Because it's not real safe. I probably should get out of its way, just in case. Okay? But now see, I can pull that down. With enough force, I could definitely get it to that one. And that jack's about fully extended. So I can't go much more than that. And I'm not going to bounce it around. That would be double stupid. Oh, I might be able to get the stock one in though now. Look at that. One of the reasons I wasn't going to do the stock ones is I could not get it in place. Alright, I'm going to do something that I probably shouldn't do. I'm going to pull down. Let's see. I think with enough force I can pull it down and get into that second one. So I need to get the bolt ready. You know what? I think I'm going to try and put the stock ones on and just skip all this danger. Because I can definitely get into the stock one now. And then later I can just get air shocks and achieve the same height I'm looking for. And these are ugly anyway. Something to stop them right now. And I can always change my mind later. Safety glasses. You don't know why? Watch the one where I squirted myself in the eye with the carburetor cleaner. Of course, now I can't hold everything at the same time. It's like a comedy show. It should not be difficult. Theoretically, I should be able to slide that baby right in there. Okay. Rule number 2. Don't put your phone up there, because it's going to fall on your head and break. That hurt. But we made some progress. I'm going to have a fat lip and I wrecked my phone. But hey, now I get a new phone. Woo. But if it doesn't work, get a bigger hammer. Here's a bar. Let's try that. I'll make just a little noise. How about that? Tell you what, leverage is nice to have. So this jack idea worked so far. We're not done yet. And like I said, stock height I can live with because I can just get some air shocks. I forgot why I took it off. Something to do with the, it was the quarter panel. I couldn't get the quarter panel on straight, so I took that off so I could push it down more, and I haven't had it back on since. I just spent several hours. The hardest part was trying to figure a way to jack this stupid thing up so I could get the leaf spring to pull down. But I got it. I rigged it, but it worked. Sometimes that's what you have to do. It's not the safest. I don't have all the professional tools, but it worked. And now it's done. Now we can start on making the gaps good. Now we can start on making the gaps look good on the doors. And I mean, everything I do makes it that much, a little bit closer. So maybe in the summertime, which is, 6 months away at this point, maybe not even that, we'll have her painted. Pop the engine in, boom. Then we'll go for a ride. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's episode. The car's back in place. Next time, I'm gonna be, if you look at these gaps, you can even see we're in the primer. The gaps are too tight right here. I'm gonna cut this panel right here and then kind of scoot it over. I'll have to figure that out. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. We need your help to keep us channel going. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.